how you can buy a Shein gift card. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So let's start. First things first, just install your Shein and log into it. Now, after you have the app and after you have logged into it, this is the interface that you'll face after you open it. Now, right on the bottom right, you will see the me option. Tap on it and there you will see this page. Now here you have a gift card option. Now just tap on it, and after you tap on it you will see this section. Now here you can just directly add card number and pin too, but we're trying to buy one, so just go to best sellers and select any card. Now as you can see, there are some cards with a price much lower than the valuation, so select one which has the best deal, and after you do that you will get to this page. Now right here you can select the gift cards design and also the amount. Now let us just get the highest amount and tap on the recipient's email address. Now just type in your email address, and after you type in your email address, what you'll have to do is enter your name. That is, enter your name or whoever is sending this. So after you do that, just continue. You can add a message too, and yeah, let's say let's just type in have fun. And by placing this order, I agree that I read and understood the terms and conditions. Make sure you check that box, and after you do that, just tap on check out. Now you can confirm your email address, and as you can see right here, you will have to type in your shipping details. Now after you do that, tap on save, and yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you have bought or sent a gift card. And with that, our video comes to an end, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.